you're back on Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. We are on the playlist for post-pregnancy recipes, and one thing I know for sure is that new mom is a hungry mom, especially in the morning. After all, puri raat, so potty cleaning, breastfeeding, I know how it is. So here is a recipe which is very filling, very yummy and very nutritious. At the same time, it's not fattening. So come on, let's make some super yummy Singhare ke aate and sprouts Cheela. Alright, so this is very simple. In fact, if you don't have too much help at home and you're struggling to make a yummy and nutritious breakfast for yourself, well, this will come to your rescue. So here I have some sprouts, हरे मूंग दाल की sprouts. इसके अंदर अगर आप चाहें तो प्याज इसी के अंदर डाल के ग्राइंड कर सकते हैं, वरना आप उसे होल भी रख सकते हैं इन द फाइनल बैटर. अब इसमें हम डाल देंगे थोड़ा अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, salt to taste, and the rest of the seasoning. And here first I have put some Ajwain, some kuti hui kali mirch, some Jeera powder, and thoda sa Aamchur, थोड़ी सी मिर्ची, because curd will go into my mixture later on in any case, so I can use that to grind my sprouts. Okay, nice. I'm not making it very, very fine because I want a little bit of bite in my Cheela. So here I have Singhare ke aate ka flour, and iske andar I'm going to add sprout ka mixture that I have prepared. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit of water to adjust the consistency of this Cheela as well, the Cheela mixture. Now I'm going to nicely mix this whole mixture, and I'm going to adjust the consistency with the help of some water. Okay, चलिए ये ज़रा गैस ऑन कर देते हैं ताकि पैन गरम होने लगे. Okay, this is now good consistency of a Cheela. It's almost like a savory pancake, but these pancakes are super healthy because ये water chestnut flour से बना है, so it's gluten free, and this flour is very high in protein and fiber, so it's absolutely amazing for you, especially when you're feeding. And अब I'm going to start making my Cheelas. Looking good. अब इसके ऊपर you can put some nice chopped dhania also when you're serving, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, now see, this has come out. It has released from the side, so it is. Oh, that's a beautiful color, and I'm now quickly going to make a couple of more like these. Super. So here you go, my amazing gluten-free Singhare ke aate or sprouts Cheela is ready. So enjoy it, gorge on it without feeling guilty. If you like the recipe, don't forget to share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. Press that icon there, that bell icon, which will give you constant and immediate updates. See you soon. And hey, have this with some chutney or dahi, okay?